Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back. We are continuing with our discussions on heat transfer. So in this video, we're going to look at the consequences of heat transfer in nature. Mathata re kopanang le one due to heat transfer. Right? Yeah, let's jump right in. Well, a re simoleng hela ka go lebella the greenhouse effect and global warming, right? Well, greenhouse, go mo bidia ga ke greenhouse mo. Go irile ka galase. A ke galase. Ke galase go na le go ka jwala dithunya mo teng. Ha re lebella temperature ha mo teng, the temperature is high inside. So the temperature inside is high. Konte the temperature is low. Okay. O ka tlo itse gore ha o jala bo ditamati yana go le mariga bosigo serame se ya go godimo thata ya sha ditamati wa itse ya itshiwa ke serame. So batho ka bontsi ba irisa yone greenhouse e tshwanang le yone yana go jala dilo tse e leng gore ke tshabelelwa ke serame ka gore a itse mo greenhousing temperature ya go nna higher than outside. Mme ka gore temperature e nna go godimo. Here's the reason. This is the sun, right? This is the sun. Letsatsi le radiator heat. Ya ka re sentse re buile re kgona go aramela letsatsi akere. So heat from the sun reaches us by radiant heat. So letsatsi la go radiator heat akere e leng gore e na le mo re ka reng ke short wavelength go ra gore very penetrating akere e na le high frequency e kgona go penetrate through the glass. Greenhouse ha isna na ithutana le yone e tabere nya le nna ke thutaitse ya ka radiator le nna heat a meter temperature yone anong ka high e temperature ane ha go godimo ka letsatsi e tabe radiator the long wavelength tse e leng gore di palelwa ke gore ke go penetrate through the glass. Dira yana di wela mo teng ke mo long wavelength not penetrating enough. So go ra gore greenhouse ya gonna le gore it gain heat but ha e kgone go lose heat. So therefore it is warmer inside than outside. So ne se sira galang re bona se ira gala le ha ke example a bona this heat wave from the sun e kgona penetrate through the glass me ha ya no area tsela konte ha kgona go tswa ke so go ra re heat e build up mo teng ga this greenhouse. The same applies to our planet. Gona le gases in the atmosphere. It's like a blanket of gases in the atmosphere. You let the heat gore tsene me ha heat re ya tswa kgona go tswa. So the earth will remain warmer. So wa bona le ha go ira galang here's the sun, heat from the sun, it gets in but it can't go out. And the reason is okay. So se sira galang re se tshwantshanya le se sira galang go greenhousing ke gone ya no re bitsa go mo re the greenhouse effect mo ke greenhouse se re se bona mo latsing la rona se ira gala ka tsele go ira galang go greenhousing ka ti ra di gas tsa rona di tirile galas mo atmosphere ke gone me re rena le se mo se tshwana le sa go greenhousing. So go rona kwa ne be re ke greenhouse effect. So certain the greenhouse effect. The Earth's atmosphere contains a small amount of carbon dioxide gas. This has a similar effect to the glass in the greenhouse. It allows short wavelength infrared from the sun to pass through and get absorbed by the Earth. The Earth becomes warm and now radiates long wavelength. Infrared radiation. This radiation is absorbed by the carbon dioxide and water vapor in the atmosphere and causes the atmosphere to become warm. The atmosphere reflects some of the energy back to the Earth. This process is called greenhouse effect. And it keeps the Earth warmer. Not bad, right? But extra carbon dioxide in the atmosphere as a result of burning of fossil fuels may add to this effect and lead to global warming. And guess something how you can imagine it reflect a lot of heat back to Earth. Global warming. So the consequences of global warming. It results in the temperature increase. That increased temperature causes melting of polar ice caps. The polar ice caps not the South Pole, where ice go. So, temperature at the Agodim. They are melt, Honali flood, they are more on each place in Ceylon or Jiba Pilele, the Ninyan, you can have what they are. So, this because what resulted to what? To rise of the sea level, leading to flooding of coastal areas. Like a very big area covered with ice. Global warming can also lead to some changes in the Earth's climate, which will cause the disappearance of some species of plants and animals. Australia, I experienced this a lot. Climate change because of global warming. The rule of o fosa go wena no only the city ba in last na mind like that's a problem. Global warming heights a man next thing days and nights in a desert and the desert breezes. So what happens here during the day? Experience this. How are like during the day how kata mo mothabeng o utlwa o sha mme ha o ka gata mo bujang o utlwa go le botoka tota wa go tshwana go rotsa mo gatile bujang ka mothaba wa bontsang wa bo ona o gotetse thata wa absorbile hitentsi. So se sira galang ha gape ke the same thing gorare the land more forest desert thing. So the land will be hot. Temperature so the air just above this land will be warm. It will be warm. This is air, okay? This is air. And then it will rise. Warm air rises. Menga kanya ka kiwilo ra wa kata mo buja nya go le mo gote thata ha o like ha o kata mo mothabi go ra hana go ntsang go go a little bit cool, I get, during the day. So what are the air here, because it's not as warm as this one, the cool air will come in from the forest. Cool air comes in. Breeze. I get, this breeze will come in from the forest. I get, because it is a cool air. This one is warm, it expands, loses its density, then it rises up. I get what's on convection. Convection in nature. I get during the day. So what it's hot during the day. I don't want to the desert loses heat faster. I get, this land will lose heat faster. I get, it will be warm. Here it will be warmer, but here it will be cold. During the day here it was cold, but here it was cool. I get. So the air above the forest here and the area covered with vegetation. You can get the same thing, but now it's at night. I get this air, because it is warmer and more denser than the surrounding air, it will be rising up. Warm air, so warm air rises up. Why? Because remember, when heated, it expands, becomes less dense again, then it rises. So when heated, the air expands, becomes less dense, then it rises up. After rising up, it will be replaced by cool air. Okay, cool air from the desert, the area covered with vegetation. So this is what happens. And the last thing that we are going to discuss under heat transfer are consequences of global warming. Cyclone. We are just saying when air above sea is warmed up, it rises up, carry moisture high into the atmosphere. This huge spinning mass of moist air is called a cyclone. The cyclone causes wet, cloudy weather with strong winds. If the winds become very strong, the storm is called a hurricane or typhoon. So that's it about global warming. So this concludes our topic, heat transfer. Thank you.